Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna do an unboxing on this Epson printer. Don't go anywhere. Okay, on my last video you saw me doing an unboxing of the Graphtec FC9000. It's a 54-inch printer. On this one, I'm sorry, a 54-inch plotter, not a printer. On this one, we're gonna be doing an unboxing on this printer, and this is the Epson. You'll see it in a little bit. It's an Epson S40600, or what they call a Epson 406. It's a 64-inch printer. It's humongous. As you can see, the box is taller than me. Not that I'm tall, I'm only like 5'6". Freaking box is taller than me. So let's start with this unboxing. Start cutting this this plastic. As you can see, this box barely fits in here. I mean, like, there's no room between the laser and the box. Same thing on the other side. There's the wall is like right here, and the box is right there. So for this unboxing, I'm gonna have to open this door, the garage door, so I can start pushing the boxes out. Otherwise, I'm not gonna have any room. And because of the size of the box, yes, I'm over here. Because of the size of the box, you guys are not gonna be able to see the entire unboxing or the entire build of this machine. Again, because of the size, because this thing is humongous. But I will be letting you know what I'm doing as I take down the box. It's not like super cold outside, you know, because you guys, on the last videos, you guys see me wearing a jacket. It's not super cold outside, but it's cold enough to where I want to keep whatever warmth is in this garage. I want to keep it in here. Yes, for those of you that don't know, I work out of my garage. So now we can take this lid. Man, that lid is humongous. Hopefully I don't hit the light. Over the camera. Look at the size of this thing. It's like 12 feet. So you just take these little deals off, and then you can take it off. Watch. Let me release it on this side. That's a lot of cardboard. A lot of cardboard. I think I'm gonna make my daughter a little house. Okay, that's one side. Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Like, I am so glad I went with this printer. Even like even the boxing, all the stuff that they do, I mean, just leave it to Epson to create something so great. That even the packaging is good. So over here, there's no room, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get out. This cartridges, I believe this is the cleaning cartridges. That's 2. That's 3, 4. Let me show you something about this cleaning cartridges. So I was gonna get an Muto instead of this Epson, and Mike from Noah Works, he was like, dude, you know, I already went through 3 Mutos. I myself went through 1 Muto and 1 Roland, just on the cleaning. Like, whenever you do the cleaning, if you mess up a little bit, that's it. You're gonna have to replace a print head, or in my case, I wasn't able to recover my printer. So, however, when you buy a Muto, you have to buy this separate. This is the cleaning cartridges. It's not ink. It's just cleaning cartridges. Here's the ink. You have to buy the ink separate, but ink, cleaning cartridges. Muto I was gonna go through a company that sells Muto, right? I was gonna have to buy this, and it's $280 to buy this. Epson gives them to you for free. There's more. This little kit right here. This is your, see that? It says ink, you see it? Ink cleaner. So this right here, so you can clean your print head, you know, as you use it. Free. Other guys, you have to buy it. That's like $250 also, that you don't have to buy. I mean, that you don't have to spend. It's there, it's free. That's what I'm saying. I am so glad that I went with Epson. I'm actually glad that I talked to Mike from NovaWorks. He was like, he literally laughed in my face. He's like, don't tell me you're getting a Muto. I was like, I am. And then after talking to him, I was like, I guess I'm not. By the way, I got this big old box by myself off the trailer. I got it on casters right now. So if I need to move something, you know, if I need to move the entire thing, I can. So I put it on casters. I've been traveling for this right here. I've been traveling a lot lately. Yesterday is when I brought this thing here. Yesterday was the 28th. Today's obviously the 29th, December the 29th. But I found a laminator because I'm gonna need a laminator. I found a laminator in Dallas, very cheap, so I went and picked it up. I picked up some window perf, some vinyl. I picked up some laminate, over laminate, and I picked up a big old roll of banner material. I picked up a lot of stuff today. So again, I was in Dallas today. I'm basically tired of driving. But let's continue on taking stuff down. There's another box of goodies. No idea what it is, but let's open it since this is an unboxing. FYI, this might be a multiple video unboxing because of all the stuff that we have to get out. It's not gonna be an easy build, especially when it's just me. What is this? Hey, look, big old box, and look what's inside. Like a bag of screws, and I have no idea what this is, but it's two pieces of metal. I got my mic back. Okay, so the piece that I was telling you on the you know, the one that showed to a slide right here, it doesn't go there. The instructions are probably for the older version. This piece right here is not even on the instructions. But again, if you're mechanically inclined, you're gonna find out that it's not that hard to find out where these pieces go. And this one right here, there's two small hooks right here. There's a hook here and another one on the opposite side. Just hook it right there. That's it. And then I don't know what kind of screws is gonna be in there. That piece is not in the instructions. Even if you look at the final build, see, it shows two rods at the bottom. Those rods right there, they're not here. It only shows, let me go back so you can see it. So if you look at this piece, is the one I was telling you. That one shows it to be right here, but it's not. It's at the bottom, and it's not horizontal, well, standing up, right? It's actually laying flat at the bottom. This piece that I just put in here, non-existent. There's nowhere in here. That piece doesn't exist here. So I'm gonna skip all the way to the front. Okay, so this piece is calling for 8 screws. The smallest screws that I have is only 6. So I'm not gonna use those because, you know, if it's only 6, it makes sense that it's gonna be somewhere else, not on this one. The other ones I do have enough of. And again, if they don't go there, you know, as soon as I start building it more and more, it's gonna be very obvious that I have to use those screws somewhere else, and I just go back, take this out, and put them where they go. But again, this piece has 8 holes. In the smallest screw, there's only 6. There's not 8 of them. So those are nice and tight, because honestly, I threw this book away whenever I saw that none of this stuff match. Like the only thing that matches is the stand, but I mean the legs, right, for the stand. But that's already put together. So okay, so right now I have no idea what this is for. Oh, I think I know what it's for. I think this is just a guide. Let me show you. See this tip right here? Goes right through it, and it has a hole in the bottom. I think this right here is what holds the pipe, not the pipe, but I guess the pipe, the little pipe that goes into the wastebasket. Huh. See, everything is so simple. It has this small tabs right there. You can see that. This tab right there has another one on this side, and then it holds 1 screw. I know there's multiple holes, but over here it's only 1 screw. And those little tabs, there's holes over here for them. And I guess I just put 1 screw there. Just like so. And then the wastebasket goes right there. Man, that is so simple. Now if we grab this wastebasket and we put it here, see, it makes sense as a small bracket. That's what it was for. Just like that. You see, that's what the little bracket was for. So the pipe from the printer will come down, go through there, in there, and then into the wastebasket. So with that being installed, I think I'm pretty much at the end of the build for the base. Because again, the rest of the stuff that's going to go on it is next is going to be the printer and then the take-up reel. But the take-up reel literally just sits on this stand, and it's got brackets for everything. It's very simple. I mean, the way that they built everything is so simple. Simple. And I guess that's going to be it. Let me show you the printer real quick, or let's unwrap the printer. And this is just going to be taking off plastic. One of the reasons why I'm taking out the plastic is if once we lift it, the plastic is going to be in the way. We don't want to step over the plastic. In the back of the printer, they give you these 2 rods. Not rods, it's 2 tubes. Pretty beefy. And what these are for, this is for us to lift the printer. The printer has 2 holes. One here, one over there. So they will slide through the printer, and then 2 people will grab it here, 2 people on the other end, and so on. You know, on the book it actually shows like 8 people. On this right here, look at all the people that they want you to use. I don't have that many neighbors. They got 1, 2, 3, 4 for one side, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the other side, right? 8, yep, 8 people just to lift that printer. I don't have that many friends. I ain't got that many neighbors. I only got 2. So I'm gonna call some friends and my neighbors, and we're gonna lift this up and put it on the stand, and then we'll come back for the rest of the build, and then you'll see it. So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. We reached I guess the end of this build, or whatever we can do. So thank you for watching, guys. It's a pleasure like always. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. All right, thank you for watching. It's a pleasure like always. I will catch you on the next one. See you later. God bless you, and I will catch you on the next one. Adios now. Bye bye.